So MOBBOT is a solution provider for automatized and robotics of sprayed concrete. In other words, we provide 3D concrete printing technology to construction companies. My name is Agnès Petit, and I'm CEO and founder of MOBBOT. The challenge of construction companies today when they build infrastructure projects is that every project is unique. The problem is that using the traditional cast-in-place methods leads to delays and penalties on the job site, and this is what we want to avoid. We provide 3D concrete printing solution that enables construction companies to build within 1 or 2 hours a utility product that usually takes 2 to 3 days to be built. The benefits for our customers is that they can produce within 1 or 2 hours what they used to produce within 20 to 25 hours. This productivity boost results in indirect cost savings, and because they can use a bespoke concrete element, so they can adapt the amount, the volume of concrete needed, and therefore reduce the CO2 emissions.